Hey, hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest updates on my YouTube channel, which is the Reflex membership. So you can actually join my community where you get access to some files, unlimited files when it comes to background manipulation and so on. So all you have to do is just to come down, click on any video, come down here and click on join. Then you have to select the plan you want to. We have three different levels here. We have the level 1, we have the level 2, and we have the top fan. So the most beneficiary part is the top fan, which you will have access to private tutorial. You can request a video tutorial for me to work on, and on a weekly basis we're getting new overlays. As long as I get new overlays on my PC, I'll be forwarding them to you for you to make use of also, and also videos on how to do that. And I'll also be creating short videos also for you to work on and try out the overlays, and also room for question in case you have any issue. I'll create a short video and send them to you via social media handle. I'm open for chat 247 to my top fan. Also level 2 seller here. Level 2, you can also get access to my premium files, but you can request for a video, but you can't vote on which video I should do next. While level 1, you gain access to some stuff also, some files, but not same files people on level 2 are getting. So if you are interested in joining up the package, any of the package is okay for you, but the best package so far is the top one. As you know, that's the one that has the highest money. So just click on join today and gain access to all that. If you still have any question on the joining the membership, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you guys on my next tutorial. One love guys.